Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here my first photo shoot. I'm going to give you an all exclusive inside depth before I post anything on my page. And here it is. I'm at a graveyard. No, I'm not here to wake the dead. I'm not disrespecting the dead. But I dug deep in the goth realm, something that I don't even have. I don't even think I know what it is. But I seen some posts online about pictures, people in cemeteries in New Orleans, and I thought, wow, that's kind of cool. Shot in black and white, really good crisp pictures, and I want to try that. It's my first photo shoot, so let's see what happens. All right, join me, won't you? Remember, before you view these photos, remember, hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you share this with your friends. Because desperately, people, I am desperate. Let's just be honest. 51 followers? Really? I need more. Thanks, everybody.
Na 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 na.